Life can get busy and sometimes you just don't have time to have a meal. Well, these perfect bars have worked out really well for me. 15 grams of protein in each bar. These are the dark chocolate chip and peanut butter bars. Really like these bars. Sometimes I take them for breakfast. Sometimes I just take them when I need to have a snack. They taste great. And you can also put them in your bag and travel with them. You don't have to keep them refrigerated before you eat them. There's nothing artificial in these. They're organic and they're gluten-free. You can take these bars if you go camping. They stay fresh for 7 days when they're out of the fridge. The most I've ever kept one out of the fridge has been a day, so it's basically been warm by that point, and they taste really good like that. I prefer it having warmed up a little bit instead of just being straight out of the fridge. It's not as chewy and it's easier to eat. So you're looking for a good snack to have around the house, maybe grab when you're in a hurry. I really recommend you get these perfect bars, and I really like the chocolate chip and peanut butter flavor. They're my favorite. So recommend you get these if you need something quick and high in protein for an extra little snack.